Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Said Sheikh. Everyone has a why. You only need to know it. It is the purpose, cause, and belief that drives every one of us. So that is your why. Remember that a clear sense of purpose enables you to focus your efforts and focus on your priorities according to your heartfelt wishes, and to follow your why, to take risks and push forward regardless of the odds or obstacles. The power of purpose is similar to the energy of light focused through a magnifying glass. Diffused light has little use, but when its energy is concentrated through a magnifying glass, you know that same light can set fire to a paper. Likewise, a clear sense of purpose enables you to focus your efforts on what matters most, compelling you to take risks and push forward so strongly that the odds and obstacles goes on to air meaninglessly. Know your why is an important step in figuring out how to achieve the goals that excite you and create a life you enjoy living, as it is merely surviving. Indeed, when you know your why, you shall find the courage to take the risk needed and to move forward, stay motivated even the chips are down, and move your life onto an entirely new, taking more challenging and more rewarding path. So the power of why, a simple question that leads to success. Finally, allow yourself to dream big and forgive yourself when you don't quite get there. So try another path and move your life onto an entirely new, taking more challenging and more rewarding path. So believe yourself and love your dreams, and be in love with your why. So important is that know your why, know your purpose. Stay with Shaikhain.